Okay, now you see we are done with 18 to 22, and then we completed questions 23 to 26. So that means we are ready to do questions 14 to 17, and we are quite familiar with the passage as well. Questions 14 to 17. Reading passage 2 has 7 sections A to G. Which section contains the following information? All right, write the correct letter A to G in boxes 14 to 17 on your answer sheet. Now, there are two methods of doing this question type. If questions are like 7 to 8, then read all the questions and skim read passage. Skim read section A, skim read section 2. Skim read means to read quickly. Another method is to scan. Now, let's do scanning method first. A mention of negative attitude towards stadium building projects. Okay? Mention of negative attitude towards stadium building projects. I just give you a hint. Go to paragraph ABC. Section ABC. Mention of negative attitude. Skim it from the beginning. Negative attitude. All right, just passage section A and section B. Negative attitude. For negative attitude, they might use the word skepticism. When you are skeptic, you have negative attitude. All right, it's paragraph A, section A, second paragraph, first line. Okay, section A, second paragraph, first line. Today, however, stadiums are regarded with growing skepticism. Skepticism means we criticize the stadiums. We don't like stadiums, or we don't want to build the stadiums. Construction cost can soar above 1 billion, and stadium finished for major events such as the Olympic Games or the FIFA World Cup have notably fallen into disuse and disrepair. So negative attitude, what is that? Stadiums are regarded with growing skepticism. Question number 14, a mention of a negative attitudes towards stadium buildings project. What is the answer of question number 14? A. All right, let's go on. Question number 15. Figures demonstrating the environmental benefits of certain stadium. Now look here. Figures. It means a paragraph which contains numbers. Figures demonstrating the environmental benefits of certain stadiums. And by the way, when we talk about environmental benefits, they may talk about oxygen and carbon dioxide. Okay, figures demonstrating the environmental benefits of certain stadiums. Go to section EFG. EFG and look for numbers. Tons of carbon dioxide and all that. Yes, it's the second paragraph of F. Got it? We found it from the word figures demonstrating the environmental benefits. So please come to paragraph F. I'm reading it from third line. The letter inaugurated in 2009 has 8,844 photovoltaic panels producing up to 1.14 gigawatt of electricity actually. And then they say this reduces the annual output of carbon dioxide by 660 tons. So what's the question? Figures demonstrating the environmental benefits. What are the figures? 660 tons. These are the figures. And how it is demonstrating the environmental benefit? Reducing the annual output of carbon dioxide. Okay, so the answer to question number 15 is F. Let's go on. Question number 16. Examples of the wide range of facilities available at some new stadiums. Very simple. Stadiums could be used as an urban hubs. They have shops there. They have concerts there and all that. Okay. You've been through that already. So you should know that. Absolutely. Paragraph E. And you see in paragraph in section E, second paragraph. Please come there. Section E, second paragraph. Got it? There is a growing trend for stadiums to be equipped with public spaces and services that serve a function beyond sport, such as hotels, retail outlets, conference centers, restaurants and bars. So what is the question? Examples of wide range of facilities available at some new stadium. What are the examples? Restaurants, bars and all that. Okay, so for question number 16, correct answer is E. Now we have question number 17. Reference to the disadvantages of stadiums built during certain era. D, why D? Okay. Similarities between that. All right. Yes, absolutely. You know, this question is directly linked with question number 23 as well. Okay. Reference to disadvantages of the stadiums built during a certain era. Let's see. I'm reading this option D, second paragraph on the next page. Many such stadiums means the stadiums built in that era. Many such stadiums are situated in suburban areas. Now, these are the disadvantages. Designed for sporting use only, that is another disadvantage. And surrounded by parking lot. So, these are the disadvantages. And they say these factors mean that they may not be accessible to the general public. So, question number 17, answer is section D. A section contains more than one paragraph.